Greetings. And welcome. My beautiful beings of light. Another mile marker has come and gone. Amazement constantly continues to overwhelm this messenger at pondering your genius and brilliance. Mile markers and signposts are everywhere, and you, my beloveds, created them for yourselves as wake-up tools. Do you not realize, my beloveds, that in order to recognize a significant linear timeline, whether it be an astrological event or a year passing or some collective specific moment in time that you had to jointly agree prior to incarnation with 7 billion plus humans' higher selves, not to even mention all the other kingdoms involved and Mother Earth herself to have those specifics occur? Of course there is no real linear time, but it is mind-boggling how truly magnificent you really are. You wrote these detailed scripts of your own specific lessons and experiences and added the cast of characters that you were to walk with, along with incorporating all of the Earth plane inhabitants' collective objectives. Then to top it off, you've embedded the Creator's divine master blueprint for Earth as well. It is like a cosmic dance of creation. This is where you wove all those detailed possibilities and events together to form one single moment in time. This does not even take into account the other hundreds of scenarios that you proposed in that script, that potentially will or not evolve because that exact domino lineup may or may not have occurred precisely as it was laid out, so another potential option was selected and utilized instead. Wow! What a talented creative bunch of writers you all are! Perhaps this probably never occurred to you, and you've been thinking all of this time that you are this simple human being doing the best you can with limited resources. Simple, my beautiful beings of grace, will not even describe any part of you, either on the earth plane or celestially. Wake up, my celestial beings of grace, and feel the Creator's divine light upon your earthly face. You are anything but ordinary and simple. Allow this messenger to take you on a mediation journey to help you remember the scripting process. Sit in a chair or lie down, whichever is your preference. It's time to be comfortable and undisturbed for a while as you journey within yourself through meditation. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in and out. Visualize with each in-breath, you are breathing in love and renewal. With each out-breath, you are breathing out pain, fear, frustrations, and doubts. With the last out-breath, feel your body relaxing. Allow and give yourself permission to feel the calm, peace, and serenity of this safe place. My beloveds, ask your ego self to perch on your left shoulder. Instruct your ego self that it is only to be an observer on this journey, it is not to participate. Through prayer to the Creator, please ask the Creator to share with you a translucent golden shield of light. Visualize it all around you, forming a bubble from head to toe, protecting you from all outside influences and giving you warmth, radiance, light, and power. Negatives will simply bounce harmlessly off your shield of protective light. My beloveds, the Creator has responded to your prayer. Your protective bubble has been supplied. The energies for this bubble will continue to flow from the Creator, cycling back down through you again, and back to the Creator in a continuous circular loop while you are in meditation. You are now divinely protected at this moment, and nothing can even communicate with you, that is not for your highest good, without your permission. Breathe in deeply, my beautiful beings of light, and sense the lighter, relaxed feelings of being divinely protected and guided into this meditation. Breathe in deeply and know that you are breathing to the pulse of the Creator. Breathe in deeply, allowing, seeing, and sensing within your spiritual imagination your guardian angels and invited spirit guides as they join you now. The angels take your spiritual etheric essence hands and guide you out of your physical body. The angels then direct you into your etheric spiritual heart chakra. An angel is staying with your physical essence until you return from your meditation journey. My beloveds, you are visualizing, seeing, feeling and sensing this within your imagination. Your guardian angels, spirit guides and special invited guests are with you now within your spiritual heart chakra. Your angels and guides are helping you locate the golden door that says, "To my highest guidance within." In your imagination you have located the golden door, and now you turn the etheric spiritual door knob, opening the door as you cross over the threshold, knowing that you are on a spiritual growth adventure. You find yourself in a white marble corridor. You see an open elevator in front of you. Your angels direct you inside and push the button on the control panel that says your Crystal Palace Sky Bridge. Off the elevator goes and climbs and climbs and climbs until it reaches level 12. The elevator bell dings as it comes to a halt and you notice an immediate rose glow around all within the elevator. The elevator door opens and you see a crystal sky bridge connecting you to your very own crystal palace. Ah! You say to yourself, yet one more way to arrive at your divine inner source. Your angels tell you that there are an infinite number of ways to arrive at this sacred space. You smile and thank them for the reminder. You are finding and remembering moment by moment that there is so much more to you than this physical vessel. The angels guide the way across the crystal sky bridge and its new opening brings you right into the entrance corridor. You just love to come here. There is always so much construction and growth going on here at all times. Your angels remind you that you are always under construction and evolving. You look down at the floor of the main entrance corridor and say hello to all your colored dot friends that grace the floor right under the main crystal spire. This spire reaches up into the celestial ethers and refracts these heavenly colors onto the floor for you to enjoy and interact with. You find the color that feels right for you today and go and stand in it. It may have a message for you, so be sure and listen to the very first thoughts that pop into your awareness as you step into the colored dots. It's time to progress on, so you take the main hall entrance to your left and find yourself in the grande circular room. The Creator's door is the very first one to your left, as it always is. You look on around the circle of doors for the door labeled scripting room. You spot the door about halfway round the circle and your angels guide the way. You check the door label again and it is the correct one. You turn the doorknob and cross over the threshold. There you find yourself in a very comfortable, elaborate and spread out room filled with visual monitors, easy to use computers, and if you are a book person then paint and lots of reference materials. If you are a technical person then add whatever you sense would aid you in writing your life scripts, including elaborate astrological charts and a connection to the Creator's divine master blueprint that is ever changing. There will be lots of help here, so simply create within your imagination what you think you will need. Perhaps you might even sketch in an angel secretary or two to help you with all the data input. Take a deep breath and release the overwhelm. The moment you crossed over the threshold, you knew what to do in this room with ease and grace. This isn't a place you will struggle, you will simply do what you have done hundreds and perhaps thousands of times before and prepare a tiny piece of a character for a new life script so that you will remember the process. This script that you will start on is involving your next lifetime. How fun is that, to get a head start on the next time around, my beloveds? Your angels are directing you to this very old comfortable brown leather armchair. You have a seat and even put your feet up on the old brown leather ottoman. Your angels then hand you a laptop computer. You don't even have to know how to work it, the angels are doing all the work for you. You notice that the screen on the laptop is showing you that you are about to view gender possibilities and a selection of body types. This is like a tiny practice session, so don't feel all locked in on what you are choosing. First select your gender, then your body type, and then choose your skin, hair, and eye color. Kind of fun, isn't it, my beloveds? Any specific facial features that you want to incorporate, make sure and select them. Of course it would help to know something of your life lessons that you want to script in, to help you in your choices, but for today this is as far as you need to remember. Focus for a moment. Did any memories surface for you here on this selection process? No worries if they didn't, it simply isn't the right moment and now for you to have those remembrances come up. The memories will come as you are ready to recognize them. Your angels signal that it is time to return. You know that you can always return now that you have remembered the way across your new crystal sky bridge. You follow the angels back out of the room and back into the grande circle room. You don't even remember crossing the crystal sky bridge for your return. You instantly find yourself back in the white marble corridor. You catch a glimpse of your glowing essence in the mirror. You smile as you think to yourself how fun it was to create another character. Your angels lead you back across the threshold of the golden door within, back into your spiritual heart chakra, and then they assist the return of your spiritual essence back into your physical form. Take a deep breath to help you reorient as you wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, open your eyes. Go about your day remembering that your inner higher wisdom and angelic support staff are always at your service working with you to help you reach your highest most appropriate potential. Listen for those first thoughts that pop into your awareness and know without a shadow of a doubt that you are receiving daily spiritual guidance. Beloveds, you are blessed beyond words and loved beyond measure, more than any earth plane language can ever express. I am Archangel Michael, the Creator's messenger of love, joy, wisdom, light, peace, and grace.